Hey there, today we made stuffed mini bell peppers. So if you want to know how to do it, keep watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Look how cute that is. Hi, I'm Terry. I've lost 175 pounds with Keto and Carnivore. Thank you for watching. Hey there, we are going to make stuffed peppers. I've got my ground beef already cooked, but it's heating up a little bit. I'm going to add some salt to the ground beef and a little bit of salt substitute to the ground beef and some black pepper. Not a lot because we're going to be using the peppers. We're going to use this new seasoning that I bought, roasted garlic, rosemary, and sea salt spice blend. This is one of the ones that I got from TJ Maxx. So as soon as I figure out how to open it, we'll use it. Yay, I did it. Okay. Ooh, it has no limitations on it. I better do this. All right, we'll do about that much. I'll sprinkle that in there. Let's see how it tastes though. Yeah, not very salty. So I'm glad I added the salt too. So I'm just kind of warming the ground beef back up. I had cooked it in the crock pot earlier. And then we're going to add, now this is some pasta sauce. This is marinara, great value, organic, because it's lower calorie. So I've got, it is, how much? 160 grams of the sauce, the marinara sauce. I think people usually use some kind of rice or something, but I don't have any ground chicken defrosted, and so I'm too lazy to do it. So we're just going to do it this way. So we're going to let this all kind of meld together, all kind of vibe and warm up together. And then in a minute I'm going to add some cheese, the grated Parmesan cheese. But I'm going to let this kind of heat up first. We're also going to use this recipe starter. It is a Mediterranean recipe starter. It's probably for stuff like soups and whatnot. But I'm not, a whole serving is a 1/4 cup. And so I'm going to use 2 tablespoons, which is going to be about 60 grams. I just think that'll be some fun Mediterranean flavor. A little more. There we go. Let's see how it tastes. Ooh, I like that. So we're going to stir this all together. And now I'm going to just kind of let it all heat up, and then we'll stuff our peppers when this gets warm enough. I think you're supposed to cook your peppers beforehand. I'm not going to. I like my peppers with texture. I don't want them to be all mushy. So this is where we're starting. I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay. It's been going a little while. Looking good and smelling good. I am going to add a pinch of garlic because it's garlic and garlic's good in everything. One of my coworkers this week, I showed her my video and how half the time my hair is up, or sometimes I have my hair bonnet on. God love her. She was so traumatized. She was like, "Oh, Terry, you look like that on your videos?" I'm like, sure, why not? These people have seen me at my best and at my worst. Why not? This is 20 grams of 20 grams of Parmesan cheese. I'm like, sure, why not? What's the worst? Like, you know what? These people have been following me for 3 years. They know by now you can't expect anything from me. The one thing consistent about me is I'm not consistent. Well, I'm consistent. I upload every day, but that's as good as my consistency gets. So, you just never know what you're going to get. Isn't that what Forrest Gump said? Life's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. Well, that's the way it is with me. All right, let me get a spoon and let's taste it. I'm going to use the big spoon here. Yeah, buddy. All right. We have to move because we got to stuff the little peppers, so hang on. So I'm going to make an assembly line. Here's my little peppers. I'm going to put some of this mixture down in it. I don't even know how much is going to fit in these. Thought about doing a piping thing, but that might not work so well. So I'll just put what I can in there. And then, what am I? Oh, Terry Toodle. Terry Toodle. All right, now I'm going to take a toothpick and stick it through. Come on. I'm going to use that to kind of help keep it standing up a little bit in these little muffin cups. Let's try another one. See if I can do it without the dealing. Yeah, I'll do it. That didn't do no good. It's too high. Maybe. I don't know. I'm just going to stand them up in here and I'm going to finish doing these and I'll get back with you. Well, here they are. And I'm going to put them in the oven. I do have some of the meat sauce left. So what I'll do is I'll just put it on top of them when I put them in the little containers. So I'm going to pop these in the oven and I'll get back to you. Here they are all done. I'm going to let them cool and then we'll eat that single one right back there. Here they are. They look really good. So we'll taste one just a second. Okay, you guys, let's try it. Ooh, I like that. I like that a lot. Sorry, I had a phone call. I like that a lot. Yep. That's a definite hit. It'll make 2 servings, so yeah, make this one, y'all. And I baked it 20 minutes. That was perfect time. Like I said, I don't want them all mushy. I like them with their structure to it. Okay. My hand's messy. Bye.